So welcome back to MTG Cards and Reviews. We're going to open up these three Innistrad Crimson Vow Draft Booster Packs though. Here at this point though, how's everyone doing? These are some of the packs that I picked up though from my newly discovered local gaming store, or gaming shop though. That is just a short distance from where I live now, that I've discovered here. So we're going to go ahead and crack into these packs and see what we've got though. Yeah, right. Now, I wanted to get, a few more, but I had to remember that I do actually have some more coming though. I just have to be patient though. So we're going to open up these and see how we do with the draft. Alright. Well, shall we find out? Okay. Let's see here if you guys can read what we've got here. Dreadlight Monastery, or Monstrosity. Yeah. Alright. Zoom in a little further. There we go. Okay. There's the Monstrosity. Sigardian's Imprisonment. Sure Strike. Sure. Wonderlight Spirit. 2/2 flying. 2/3. Yeah, hold on here. That's a 2/3 flying spirit though for a 3-drop. Underlying Malice. Moldgraph Millipede. Alright. Gift of Fangs. Going with our ideal of the basically the vampire. Alright. Oh! Here we go. Following Wilds. Hey, this has got to be, like a $20 card. Nah, okay, maybe 10. It's not foil. Nah, okay. Hey, that's a good card. We got a Blood-Crazed Socialite. Alright. Kindly Ancestor. A Kindly Ancestor. So the Kindly Ancestor has lifelink. It's a 2/3 spirit for a 3-drop. And it has Disturb though. You may cast this card from your graveyard transformed for its Disturb cost. Ancestor's Embrace. Enchantment. Enchanted creature has lifelink. If Ancestor's Embrace would be put into a graveyard from anywhere, exile instead. Thank you, Godmother, or Grandmother. Thank you, Grandmother. I love you too. That's the flavor text. Laid to Rest. Blood Tithe Harvester is our first uncommon. Nope, second uncommon. Alright. Let's zoom out a bit here. And we've got Child of the Pack. Oh yes. Okay, so it's a 2/5 for 4-drop. And you can create a 2/2 green wolf creature token. Daybound, but if it gets flipped over to the Nightbound, we'll take a look at that. But we got a rare here coming up next. we have Consuming Tide, and there's our flip on the child of the pact, and that is the Savage Packmate. So our rare is the Consuming Tide, and we got a Plains, and then a day night token, and our Disappointment card. Okay, so we're going to put those over there, put the Plains here, straighten these up just a little bit though. Alright, X pack. Let's see what we've got though. And yes, I am going to take my time going through these though, as at this point this is the first time I've actually opened up this particular set, and so I want to have the chance to both take a look at the cards themselves and share it with you guys. And yes, I am going to be moving those cards around just a bit so that they can stay in the background though while I open these up. Cruel Witness, Unholy Efficient, or Unholy Efficient. All right, Vampire Cleric, Belligerent Guest, we've got a Courier Bat, we've got Sporeback Wolf, Unhallowed Phalanx, Zombie Soldier, wow. Okay, so this is a 5-drop, which got me. However, if you take a look here, this is a 1/13 creature, so this is basically a wall in a sense though. Unhallowed Phalanx enters the battlefield tap, which makes that defensively kind of tough, but the flavor text reads, in case any of your new recruits were wondering, this is why we don't use mass graves anymore. Karen of the Mausoleum Guard, or Curran of the Mausoleum Guard. Okay, I think I may be seeking out a few more of these though. That is a very potential useful card. We got a Toxic Scorpion, Ceremonial Knife, and our Everlasting Evolving Wilds. Here's to you, Joey Moss. Fearful Villager, Markov Purifier, a Vampire Cleric, Sanguine Statuette, it's an artifact here, I got a Fell Stinger, yeah. Zombie Scorpion. Okay, if scorpions weren't bad enough though, the zombie one, we got a rare. We got a Voldavian Bloodcaster. And then we've got our land. Nice mountain there. Yeah, a wolf token. And of course, the Disappointment card. Okay, well, 2 packs down, 1 more to go. in this little setting. Take a look and see what's behind this pack. Alright. We got it. Oh yes. This one. Estewald Shield Basher. If you guys haven't seen this card, this is, okay, so it's a human soldier, and bring this into focus here for you guys to read too. Whenever Estewald Shield Basher attacks, you may pay 1. If you do, it gains indestructible until end of turn. Damage and effects that say destroy do not destroy it. Flavor text is: the door to her home survived the fires of the Malagas. Now it's her greatest weapon. And you can see that there are that door has been busted, but now is basically a battering ram for anything. May look to pick up a play set of those though. We got a lightning wolf, stretched assistant, supernatural rescue, nature's embrace, aim for the head, choose one, exile target zombie, target opponent exiles 2 cards from their hand. Works every time. Okay. That's a very useful card there too. We've got Sanctify, Daybreak Combatants, Hookhand Mariner, Magma Pummeler, elemental creature. Right. Screaming Swarm. Right. Doesn't sound like a fun time. Oakshade Stalker. Our next card is another rare. It is Falconwrath Forebearer. Vampire. Alright. And then we got a land. Okay. Island there. Got a foil. Fear of Death. And a human token. And then our other card. Alright. Well, hey, thanks for joining in this little opening. We're going to continue to open up some more of these Crimson Vow packs, so share it with you guys. Have a great day. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, though. Ring the bell so you'll be notified of new videos. And have a great day.